Welcome back for another Polygon Matic price prediction analysis video, and at the time of this recording, Matic continues to hold below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. We are also facing a significant area of resistance at around the $0.784 mark. And the moment we manage to break above that with a successful retest, then we can easily see Matic get above the $0.8 mark. We are also holding above a significant key area of support at around the $0.6227 mark. And as long as that continues to hold, we can still expect higher prices here on the Matic chart. Zooming out on the charts to now give you my Elliot wave analysis, you can see that Matic back in September, on the 11th of September, gave us a low at around the $0.49 mark before we saw this consolidation over here. Then we finally saw the breakout to the upper side in a move that gave us a high above the $0.98 mark, completing the formation of this Elliot wave count 1 to the upper side. And after getting the formation of that first wave, we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has now been giving us a bit of a pullback. And the minimum target areas for the second wave, I have highlighted on the charts using this red target area, which is an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's. So using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, I get a minimum target area for the second wave between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.618, and that is between the $0.8 mark and the $0.6848 mark, which is the area that I have highlighted on the charts over here. And this is the area within which we can expect further pullbacks to get us into, give us a low in place for the second wave, and then from there we can expect a massive reversal to the upper side in an impulsive wave 3 to the upper side. But we also need to have in mind that there are also chances that we also have a low in place for the second wave, since we have managed to get into the minimum target area over here. And that means that in case we see maybe a reversal from the prices that we are trading within, break above resistance with a successful retest, continue seeing a break above significant highs, and maybe we get an impulsive move to the upper side, then that will be the formation of that wave 3. But as long as we continue holding above resistance, and maybe we continue seeing further weakness in the charts or maybe in the markets, expect Matic to fully maximize this red target area over here, which is my pullback target area, between the $0.8 mark and the $0.6865 mark. And jumping to the daily chart to now give you my long-term Elliot wave analysis that I'm expecting to play out once the bull market is here. If I zoom out on the daily chart, you can see that back in 2020, Matic gave us this slowdown here before we saw that impulsive move taking us to all-time highs above the $2.9 mark, completing the formation of this Elliot wave count 1 to the upper side. And after getting the formation of that first wave, we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, whose minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area we fully maximized. And there are high chances that we now have a low in place for the second wave, and in the next coming weeks or maybe months, we can see a reaction of the area and continue seeing another aggressive move to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, then expect a wave 4 and then a wave 5 taking us to new all-time highs. And the minimum target areas for the third wave can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the $5.1386 mark, which is the minimum that we can expect that wave 3 to the upper side to do. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on here on the Matic chart on the short term and also on the long term. And those are my pullback target areas that I'm watching out. in case we see some weakness in the next coming hours. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you in the next one.